Hello, everyone.
Welcome to Ubri One AI channel.
Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to set up ChatGPT for writing. So, in this lesson, in this training, we'll be using more of ChatGPT for writing, for research, for questions, and for solving a lot of problems. So, I want you to see you have to have your ChatGPT on your profile, on your Chrome profile. Set it up so that you have it tuned to your language. It understands you. You can speak with it, chat with it as a normal, as human to human. But then you're chatting with an AI. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that. The first thing you do is just go to your Chrome profile, any of the profile you have on your Chrome browser. Click on a new tab, then move down here, write Chat GPT, enter it. That brings up all these options. So you go to Open AI Chat GPT. From there, you're gonna see here login. You try that to log in. Chat GPT. Try the login here. Try live login. Okay. It will take us through different parts. So here you see we have continue with Google. So we'll do that. Choose an account. This is account we're using Everyone AI. Since you are already logged into that, then you continue. Full name. So that becomes Everyone. Birthday. You can put your birthday. Takes us to the next set of questions. Okay, so you can see now your chat GPT is ready. What do you want to use this for? You can answer this or you can skip this. Okay, you can decide to say for work, for all these, I can select everything for school, for work. Next one, nice to meet you. Here's a quick tour. So I will not need the tour, so I have to skip the tour for the purpose of this set. We are all set to continue. Okay, so now look at this. This is what I do mostly. After getting this, you go to this left hand side, you go to the library, click on the library. You're gonna see it's going to bring it's supposed to bring a whole lot of stuff. Okay, you go to GPT's, not library. Go to GPT's, not library. So you're gonna see this one, write for me. This is the one we are gonna use to for writing. So you click on write for me. There's image creator. If you go down, you'll see image creator. If you want image generator, sorry. If you want to generate image, you use this one. Either use the image generator here or use this one. So for writing, we're gonna use this. Write for me. I click on that. You're going to have it as part of your start charts. So you have write for me as one of the icon. You can also go ahead and have your put the other one image generator here, image generator pro, or the normal image generator. Start. So if you start anything here, you're gonna have it here. Okay. So let's go back to what the write for me. Go back here. So this is what we are going to use. So we are going to send a prompt. We'll send your prompt here, and with the prompt here, you can write any article you want to. So that's how to set up your chat GPT for writing. See you in the next video.